In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect ChatGPT to Cars24 step by step so you can get everything set up quickly and start using the integration without confusion. If you've been wondering where the apps menu is, how to find Cars24, or what to click after you connect it, this guide will make the whole process simple. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy how-to videos just like this. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and make sure you're signed into the account you want to use. Once you're on the main ChatGPT page, look at the top right corner and click on your profile. From there, find Settings and open it. This is where all of the app and connector options are stored, so don't skip this part. Inside Settings, look for the Apps section and click on it. This will take you to the place where ChatGPT can connect with supported apps and services. Now click on Add More. This is the option that opens the app directory where you can search for the service you want to connect. On the app search page, click in the search bar and type Cars24. As you type, ChatGPT will begin filtering the results. When you see Cars24 appear, click on it to open the app page. This is the specific integration you want to connect to your ChatGPT account. On the Cars24 app page, you'll see a Connect button. Click Connect to begin the linking process. If ChatGPT asks you to confirm the connection, click Connect again on the next screen to approve it. This second confirmation is normal, and it helps make sure you're authorizing the right app. After that, go back into the Cars24 app area and click New Chat. This creates a fresh conversation where the app can be used properly. Then click the plus icon to add the app or attachment into the chat flow. If you see a More option, click that as well to reveal any additional actions or app controls. Finally, click on Cars24 inside ChatGPT, and that's it. At this point, the app should be connected and ready for use inside your ChatGPT workspace. You can now continue chatting and use the Cars24 integration as needed, and that's how you connect ChatGPT to Cars24 in just a few simple steps. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.